Good morning. I just wanted to make a quick screencast because we are hoping, I guess I should maybe shrink my screen a little bit so you can see all of it. We are hoping to make an easier system to pump out nail bars monthly for the Glitter Gals for our team page. So what I did was I actually took, let me give some credit where credit is due to one of the teams from the Rosy Toesies. I know that Mallory, Taylor, and Morgan were on it, but I think there were more people on that team as well. So forgive me to those of you who were also on that team. In the senior director group that I did not shout out, but I know those three were on this team. They did a party at Thanksgiving for the November nail bar. I took that last party that was done and I went back into it, and then I kind of made it more, well, let's call it vanilla. And that way, as we each month want to make a theme, so as each leader wants to take this for the following month and make it a theme, you've got a base to go off of, and then you can go from there. So for example, I kept the how to apply is pretty basic, and I made it so that it was not themed to, theirs was themed to Thanksgiving. So I took out the info that was Thanksgiving and kept everything else that applied universally to each month. Okay, so the next one, here we go. We've got an early bird special. I'm going to close that now because what I did here is I added some info here. We need you, when you switch this for, we're going to have the first month be the month of February. We want you to add a graphic that pertains to the theme you choose and add to the tell us. So when I open this again, we'll do the preview post. That's what I mean here is add to tell us. So the tell us was something that they were like, tell us, I can't remember. I think it was like, tell us if you have a Thanksgiving at lunch or dinner. I can't remember what it was for that particular one, but it was something that involved getting the party participants to answer the question. All right, so whatever your theme for that month is, you're going to put a tell us question in there, or you can change the tell us or whatever you need to do. So I'm going to close that again. So what you're going to do, we're going to keep this base script. You're going to make a copy of the base script, and then you're going to change it to February nail bar, or you're going to change it to the March team nail bar, February team nail bar, March team nail bar, whatever you want to name it. If you want to tell us what your theme is in the nail bar, that might be helpful. You're going to create graphics, but as you work through looking at the Visly script, you can kind of see add text and image to fit theme. This one I left the graphic in because you can see on this graphic it was get to know the stylist and it had questions. So I left this graphic in, so you would delete this graphic, add your own. But apple or pumpkin, Thanksgiving or Halloween, sweater or vest, this could all be themed on the month that you're doing. So as you can kind of see, it works down the entire thing. Last call for the early bird special, roll call. So you're just adding graphics to fit the theme. This one is this or that, and it's party time. So these are winter outfits. So these still worked for February, but as we get into March, they may need to change based on the theme. This graphic needs to change for what's your color street status, but I left it in so that you had a base idea. And as you get down in here into solids, glitters, and designs, you might need to update and remove any shades that might have been retired, and then replace with something that might be new or updated. All right, so that was just to kind of give you an idea. Here's the business. There was a graphic, like an ask me anything graphic. So the ask me anything graphic would need to be added to fit the theme because of course theirs was very fall, like the girls' night in, the shopping post, those all still fit. Not to say that those could not be updated over time because that would obviously help the algorithm for Facebook. VIP. All right, so I think you guys get the point now. If you have any questions, we're here to help, and obviously we will share this base script code with you, but then you'll make a copy of the base script before you start changing it. So you'll use this button here to make a copy so that the base script stays intact so that each month it can be changed. All right, guys, have a great day.